Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain about Nami Wallet. What is Nami Wallet and how are you going to set up Nami Wallet? So Nami Wallet is basically a browser-based wallet extension. This is similar to MetaMask wallet, but Nami Wallet, it interacts with the Cardano blockchain where MetaMask is for Ethereum and Polygon and other Ethereum compatible networks. So Nami Wallet is a new one. It's basically for the Cardano blockchain. So let's go and click on the download one. So based on your browser, you can download the extension. So I'm going to use for Chrome. Okay, just click on the add Chrome and that should add your extension to your Chrome browser. Okay, let's go and access that from your browser. Yeah, Nami has been added to Chrome. So click on that one. I'll just pin to my tab. Okay, it's gonna welcome and then it's gonna ask, do you want to create a new wallet or import an existing wallet? So I'm gonna click on new wallet here because I don't have the existing one. If you have existing wallet somewhere on a different computer or mobile phone, you can just import the seed phrase. So this is the seed phrase. This is really important. Make sure you write it on a piece of paper and keep it somewhere safe. Don't save it on your laptop or mobile phone so people can't access this one. And then click on the seed phrase. Just click on the next. Okay. I'm gonna just create a test account, so I'll give as a name as test and then enter password. Re-enter the password. Just click on create. Okay, you have successfully created the wallet and just close that one and then go back to your Chrome again and then access the wallet. So what I do is I try to connect the SundaySwap here using my Nami wallet, but before that let me access that wallet here. Just click on that tab again. It's a little bit slow. Yeah, this is the interface. You can see the Nami wallet here. You can receive your ADA now, or you can send ADA from this wallet to different address. It supports NFTs as well. There is a separate tab for NFTs or collectibles. I don't have any NFTs at the moment, but if you have any NFTs in your wallet, they will show up here and all the tokens and assets will be showing up here. If you want to change any settings on this wallet, you can go here, click on settings, and I just want to see whether it's connected to testnet or mainnet. Okay, at the moment it's connected to its network is selected as a mainnet, but if you want to try to connect to the SundaySwap testnet, you can change that to testnet. But in this case, we'll go with mainnet, so I'll change that back to mainnet. Let's go back and try to connect with the SundaySwap. Okay, so I clicked on this enter app here and then that opens a new tab. Yeah, as you can see, it's already trying to connect with our wallet here because we already have our browser extension here, Nami Wallet. So it says trying to connect to that wallet. This app would like to view your balance and addresses, request approval for transactions. So yeah, view access. Just give a minute. Yeah, connected to Nami. So we have successfully connected DeFi, SundaySwap to our Nami wallet. So this is a exchange on the Cardano blockchain. That means you can swap the ADA tokens with the other Cardano based tokens here. But at the moment I don't have any ADA in my Nami wallet. Once I have some ADA here, I can interact with Cardano blockchain. This launched only today, so it's quite new. I heard the transactions are getting really slow on the SundaySwap, but obviously that's expected because this is only first day of the exchange. But yeah, that's about Nami wallet. It's just a quick introduction. Thanks guys.